cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn.
Hey guys, pagi. Selamat datang lagi di channel aku. Gimana kalian pada sehat semua? Langsung ngikutin aktivitas aku untuk hari ini, oke? Bentar ya. Gimana minggu ini udah pada nonton film apa aja? Minggu ini udah tayang Expendable 4, terus Air Mata di Ujung Sajadah masih, terus film Indonya horornya Tanah Jawa Pocong Gundul kalau nggak salah, lupa saya namanya. Sama film barunya The Creation, filmnya bagus, keren, tersedia kalau nggak salah format Atmos, format Dolby Atmos, format IMAX sudah. Yo segera nih, mumpung kalian mumpung filmnya udah pada tayang, segera kalian ke bioskop kesayangan kalian, oke? Bantu like, subscribe, dan komen. Bantu channel ini lebih jauh lagi ya guys. Nanti juga aku bakal hadirkan aktivitas aku yang lain lagi. Oke? Thank you.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age.
Let's go guys, kita lanjut.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die.
Diperbaiki.
Or just the start of it. Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I want promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. When the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater.
Subscribe, like, dan komen. See you.
I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how.
Wait.
The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breathes the ground. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home.
Antar tangga dulu guys. Ada orang vendor lagi. Ini apa? Lagi pengerjaan penambahan unit AC guys. Di ruang rahasia. Bro, ini tangganya nih bro. Beres ya guys, coming soon. Buat belum ada bocoran sih buat tanggal berapanya. Nanti aku kasih info lagi. Oke? John Cena freelance. Oke.
That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon. My body is the engine. I'm never second guessing. I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing. Persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan. Rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on. It needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like
Ngecekkan suhu AC teater 1.
you could change in your brain. I'm certain I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect.
Ready, mantap.
I am. I'm making a new plan. Rearranging.
Pengecekan teater AC teater 2. Studio 6 komplit. Lanjut studio 5. Teater 4 komplit, suhu aman. Kita cek teater 3 suhunya. Oke, mantap. Ready, mantap. Oke guys, beres juga kegiatan aku hari ini. Sedikit banyak tentang kegiatan aku yang ya lumayan lah. Dan jangan lupa sudah tayang minggu ini tanggal 28 September Sherina 2. Kalian yang tahu atau pernah nonton Sherina 1 pasti bakal kangen deh sama lanjutannya Serina 2 langsung ke bioskop terdekat, oke? Oh iya, jangan lupa tadi sedikit aku ngerjain tentang kelistrikan. Jangan ditiru di rumah ya. Untuk yang ngerti atau profesional, oke lah. Dan jangan ditiru juga untuk mengganti sesuatu tanpa menggunakan alat yang khusus dalam keadaan listrik menyala, oke? Oke, sampai di situ aja. Next time aku coba kasih untuk kegiatan-kegiatan aku selanjutnya. Bantu like, subscribe, and comment. Bantu channel ini bertumbuh ya guys. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa. Assalamualaikum.